Listen to those feet. The galloping Great Dane puppy. So we do laps around Ellie. What do you think, Jack? Oh, it's almost nap time. All right, you want to take it outside? Should we take it outside? We have to have as many toys out of the toy box as we have in them. All right, Ellie just came in, so let's go out and take care of some business. All right? I know you're gonna head straight for the pool. It's good that you like to go off. Oh. Look at you go, Maddie. You going in? What do you think? No? Just gonna shovel some water in. Oh, and it must be neighbor's grass cutting day. There we go. Look at you. All four in the pool. I suppose it's less messy than doing your shampoo routine in the dog shower, drinking bowl area. What's that? That's the standing dog paddle? You two are such buddies. Such a good boy. Good girl, Maddie. All right, now it's time to cool off. Let's go chill out in the AC with Ellie, okay? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Okay, business has been taken care of. Mission accomplished.